C. Got another 2021 Mosaic No Huddle football box. Good luck, Orsi. Thanks again for hopping back in. And again, no base as your request. Okay. Dwayne, I forget her name. She's on TikTok, actually. But did a heck of a job. We've got Mosaic Travis Kelce. It's all done by spray paint as well. Chris Godwin, Disco. And Amir Smith Marset rookie. And it wraps all the way around here. We've got Disco Michael Pittman Jr. Debut Kyle Pitts. And a Trey McKitty rookie. We've got a redemption. Good luck, Orsi. We've got a Nico Collins, no autograph, no huddle. Nico Collins for the Texans. That will be your redemption there. Your auto for the box. Montage Disco Justin Jefferson. A lot of inserts. And a Evan McPherson rookie. Minute Mastery. A debut Trevor Lawrence. Dwayne Eskridge rookie. Introductions, Justin Fields. Herbert, a Mac Jones debut. Aaron Rodgers, and Sam Ehlinger rookie. Ooh, what do we have here, Orsi? We've got Masquerade Ballers, Rob Gronkowski. Boom! Super short print. There you go. Nice hit, Orsi. Super short print. Very nice. First Gronk one of these that I've pulled. It's always been a Lattimore from the Saints. Nice hit there. And we've got 275 Antonio Gibson Blue Disco. Manning Super Bowl. Josh Palmer rookie. There you go. Back-to-back bangers here for you, RC. We've got 285 Ryan Tannehill. Sorry, 75. Bateman debut rookie. Simi Fehoko rookie. Got Disco of Malcolm Jenkins. Jerome Bettis Man of the Year. Trey Lance debut. And Trey Nixon rookie. Got rookie Disco of Terrace Marshall Jr. Panthers. Stairmasters. Azeez Ojulari rookie. We've got gold debut Kyle Pitts, 4 of 10. Boom! What a box here for you, Orsi. Very nice. Gold Disco. We'll mag that one for you as well. Very nice. Kenneth Gainwell debut. Ben Skowronek rookie. What a box. That gold kind of just popped up on me too. I didn't see that coming. We've got to 50 purple Henry Ruggs III. Debut Farley and Patrick Surtain II rookie. About to say, Orsi, you here, man? Heck of a box. We've got Montana Super Bowl Disco insert. Kwity Paye debut. And Caleb Farley rookie. Got silver Cooper Kupp. Is he going to win a Super Bowl or not? Drew Brees, Baker, Devonta Smith debut, and Trey Lance rookie base. We've got rookie disco of Tommy Tremble, Panthers. Greg Russo debut, and Adiyingbo rookie. We've got silver rookie of Mike Strachan. Javonte Williams rookie. Quiet this time, huh? Got Disco Man of the Year, Derek Brooks. And Zach Wilson rookie base. Some nice rookie bases coming your way, too. We've got rookie Mosaic of Racy McMath. Silver Jerry Rice. Cool one there. Debut Travis Etienne Jr. Odigizua rookie. And last pack. Montage Tom Brady. And a Hunter Long rookie. All right, that'll do it for you, Orsi. Congrats again on a really nice box. Sorry I have hiccups. Thanks for hopping back in, and we'll begin this right out to you.